Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Owatosin. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. The Lagos State government has stayed in the business of creating a greater and a greener Lagos. Lagos State, the economic hub of the country. Lagos State, with the population of approximately 60 million. When thinking about Lagos State, most people think about traffic. With the increase in population, Lagos State is really facing huge traffic issues, accommodation issue, etc. As a way to reduce traffic issue, create seamless means of transportation, reduce travel time, the Lagos State government came up with some beautiful ideas such as water transportation, rail transportation, introduction of BRT buses, lag ride, etc. We have a lot of rail transportation being introduced by the Lagos State government such as the Blue Line, the Red Line, the Yellow Line, the Green Line, etc. The Blue Line, which runs from Marina and terminates at Okokomaiko, Lagos, Nigeria. The Blue Line has two phases, which are the phase 1 and the phase 2. The phase 1 of this project is fully completed and commercial activities are started, and it runs from Marina and terminates at Mile 2, Lagos, Nigeria. While the second phase of this project will run from Mile 2 and terminate at Okokomaiko, but at the moment the project hasn't started. While the Red Line is still under construction. The Red Line is a 37-kilometer line that runs from Agbado and terminates at Oyingbo, Lagos, Nigeria. The Red Line has 8 stations, which are the Agbado train station, the Iju train station, the Agege train station, the Ikeja train station, the Oshodi train station, the Mushin train station, the Yaba train station, and the Oyingbo train station. But today, I'll be sharing with you one of the stations on the Red Line corridor, the Yaba train station. At Yaba, there is a construction of a flyover bridge and a train station. The flyover bridge will separate vehicular movement from train movement, link different parts of Lagos together, enhance easy flow of goods and services from one part of the state to another. The train station at Yaba will help to develop Yaba, help commuters to connect different areas of the state, create employment, create a seamless means of transportation. The train station at Yaba is built right beside the BRT station, which will give commuters option to pick from, if to take this train or the BRT, or alight from the train and take the BRT to their final destination and vice versa. There's a pedestrian bridge here at Yaba, which will be linking the movement of passengers from the BRT station to the train station and vice versa. So passengers can now alight from the BRT station and walk straight to the train station without crossing the rail track. As we can see from the video, civil work has been completed for the train station and finishing touches are going on at the moment. The train platform is where passengers will alight and board the train. There are a lot of work still going on the train platform, as the train platform is still under construction, including the pedestrian bridge, which will be linking the movement of passengers in and out of the train station. There are a lot of works to be done here at Yaba, such as completing works on the train station itself, completing work on the train platform, completing the pedestrian bridge, which will be linking the movement of passengers from the BRT station to the train station and vice versa. The Yaba train station seems to be the biggest station after the Ikeja train station on the Red Line corridor. The train station will bring relief to residents of Lagos State, create a seamless means of transportation, create employment, reduce travel time while traveling within the state, reduce the number of vehicles on the road, develop the state, and turn Lagos into a mega city. The Red Line is not just an ordinary infrastructure, but a vital one in Lagos State, which will improve the economic growth of the state, enhance easy flow of goods and services, increase the standard of living, etc. for watching this video up to this extent. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. We'll meet in the next one. Peace.